afternoon. Welcome to Ghana. Merry Christmas. Here, I start to steam chicken roll. So guys, ililitsyon ko to. I-stuff natin to. Lalagyan natin ng tanglad o lemongrass. Mabango ito eh. Ayan guys, napasok ko na sa oven. So, hintayin na lang natin yan ng mga... Guys, itignan natin yung ating lechon. Kung okay na ba? Wow, look at that. Ang galing, ang bango-bango. Promise. Hindi biro. Amoy lechon talaga siya. Natin konti. Mamaya balikan natin yan ha. Dito naman. Magpa-fry ako ng spring rolls. Yung pansit natin nandiyan na sa table. Sa lalagyan. Naman, kaming tatlo lang naman. Si Papa, ako, si Sophia. Dami kong pansit. Ayan guys, luto na lahat yung handa natin ngayong Pasko. Ito po yung spring roll, yung roasted chicken, yung pansit. Meron kaming dessert dito na cassava cake at saka leche flan. At ito pala yung chicken roll. Merry Christmas everyone! Greet them, Laya. Merry Christmas everyone.
Merry Christmas everyone. It's still Christmas Eve.
Yes. Yan ang aming munting handa. Naghintay lang kami ka Papa kasi si Papa nagtrabaho pa.
All the food that the one, Mom could just repair, and Mama will do this repair. Mama do this repair, and Mama do this repair. Mama do this repair. Mama do this repair, and Mama do this repair. Mama do like this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's almost Christmas indeed. Almost Christmas. It's our Christmas. It's your Christmas indeed. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's my...
Yummy?
Yep, Mama. Yep, Mama.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
sit. Open, dali. I know you.
Makeup thing.
Makeup set.
Wow, a makeup set. Oh, the other one.
Are you sure that it's a makeup set? So you have makeup and you have a table for your makeup. Thanks everyone from our family to yours.
Yay! Goodbye.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, likes and share.
And hit the notification bells and you will be notified to our next video.
Bye-bye! Merry Christmas everyone!